universally producing great realities daily. Unity, How to Heal Cancer video. Only you can heal yourself. Hello New Earth, it's the Unity Philosopher here with Upgrade Health, so that we can explore the world of quantum physics, DNA, science, God, and health. Today, translating that to cancer, a lot comes up. Questions like, how did this happen? Why did this happen to me or a beloved? And is there anything I can do? Early 21st century research and big pharmaceutical companies will say yes, and offer you chemo treatment plans, and depending on the severity of the cancer, a survival chance estimate, and a large bill. All this, leaving you entirely under the control of others. I am sorry to say, that way did not go too well for my friend. As New Earth forms, we are learning how to create the realities of freedom, peace, joy, and health. Using our bodies as the tools and machines that they are, with the help of God, esoteric, exoteric, knowledge and wisdom discovered from ancient times, we can now heal anything. How is this possible? Let's explore. When healing cancer, the first question that arises is, where does cancer come from? Google says, cancer is caused by changes to DNA. When the normal processes that control cell behavior fail, and a rogue cell becomes the progenitor of a group of cells that share its abnormal behavior. Thanks to the power of language, we can translate those phrases to this. Cancer is caused by changes to the DNA, can also say, if the DNA can become and change to cancerous DNA, then it must be able to be changed back into healthy DNA. The other phrase seems like this. When the normal processes that control cell behavior fail and a rogue cell becomes the progenitor of a group of cells that share its abnormality. This phrase can be dissected. When we look at the first part that says, when the normal processes that control cell behavior fail, a question arises. What are the normal processes that control cell behavior? That answer would first be internal processes, and secondly conditioned environment. Internal processes being the central nervous system, brain, organs. Looking at the phrase cancer is caused by changes to the DNA. And the phrase, when the normal processes that control cell behavior fail and a rogue cell becomes the progenitor. We can see how cancer can only happen if a normal process, organ, becomes unhealthy. So now that we know where cancer comes from and that cancer is caused by unhealthy environment or a failing organ that causes a change in the DNA. We know that all this can be changed. The list of changes could go pretty far, so obviously the more you do, the more that will change for you. Beginning with the most important, creating a healthy vessel using the power of the breath, and angled stretching. This will work because our bodies are machines that can be formed to function at very healthy or sick conditions. Imagine a car that's oil never gets changed. Or if the coolant line has a cut so the engine rarely receives coolant. Our bodies have three brains. Our head brain, our heart brain, and our gut brain. If even just one of these brains is not functioning properly, this could cause problems. Perhaps you have heard the common saying that we only use like 20% of our brain's power. The source or foundation for these brains is the gut brain. The heart is the pump, or worker. The mind is the manager, or leader. If the source is low, imagine not having fuel for your vehicle. Have you ever run out of gas before? It is not moving. Let's get into it. How or why did this happen? The answer? DNA? Is there anything I can do? The answer? Alter the DNA. Every single day work on yourself and altering your DNA towards health by doing this breath pattern. Fully inhale with the diaphragm, fully inhale lungs, hold air and push all air towards bottom or top of gut, creating space internally, hold this pressure for a safe amount of time, exhale, repeat. Those with great strength may move directly onto this technique. Exhale fully. At the end of exhale, perform vacuums and tighten obliques and abdominals. Internally compress to burp and purge. Picture this, air bubbles. Why this works and what this is doing is what happens when we eat, drink, and swallow, is we consume air. All this air builds up and is loose inside our bodies. With this technique we are releasing the trapped air, leaving more room internally for oxygen and for everything to flow smoothly, blood. This air is sometimes old and toxic. Also what is happening is all the muscles are being tightened and shifting the organs, allowing everything to function healthier. Building up the source. By default, this automatically begins healing the other systems of the body like the heart and the brain. However, the second component to this healing is angled stretching. Using certain stretches to reach certain muscles, veins, organs, and even bone, we can clear our internal processes to heal ourselves. Depending on your condition would depend on what stretches would be most beneficial for you. Although of course I recommend 6 daily full body stretching for maximum results. Using just these 2 techniques, one already begins clearing, strengthening, and healing their vessel at great capacity. Thanks to the latest science, we know that our thoughts create electric waves and patterns in our mind. Along with daily breathing and stretching practices, we would need to make sure we are producing positive thoughts. It would take a whole other video and many videos that will be produced to cover how to change our thoughts and thought patterns. However, this is critical. Don't think negatively about yourself, not even joking around. The body does not know the difference, and that is where the cancer lives. Using our thoughts to bless our food while we prepare and eat it is a great way to multitask healing. Watching our diet is the 4th focus of healing cancer from the body. Food and water. I could spend many videos talking about this as well. Focus on consuming healthy food and water consistently. The only other thing after that to change would be the external environment. Exposure to the sun, radiation, chemicals and health products used on the body, like toothpaste, deodorant, shampoo, and lotion. Swap as much of your environment to health as possible. I don't know if things like cell devices, microwaves, and power lines cause cancer. Perhaps reduce exposure. Changing your familiarity and working with these 5 ancient healing forms to enter your new healthy reality and begin experiencing the results for yourself. An explanation for how these practices alter our DNA. Using the expansion during the breath hold creates space internally for more oxygen, increasing our capacity of oxygen. The human body is 99% comprised of just 6 elements. Oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon, calcium, phosphorus. Also, the subtraction strengthens the premium and internal lower V-cup muscles, so that the body can hold more water or urine. H2O, hydrogen. Oxygen. Burping releases nitrogen. All these daily changes slowly alter our DNA, day by day. Here is a recap of the 5 tools. Upper breathing. Angled stretching. Creating positive thoughts. Consuming healthy nutrients. Creating a healthy environment. Alright, that all pretty much sums it up. I am very thankful to you for watching this video. If you know anyone with cancer, post or share this video online or just send them this video to watch for peace. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to respectfully express yourself in the comments. Thanks for spending time with Upgra Health. Be safe. Take care.